Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So I'm back out here at the park. It's a really nice day, and I wanted to do some line of sight with my AK-103 from LDARC. I have the battery that came originally with it, and the battery is still going strong. It's a 3S flyer. This is a toothpick, and this thing is very unique, and it has the shortest brushless motors I've ever seen. These things are 1101.5s. Very short stator on these motors here. It's restricted to only flying these type of props, the Parrot rolling spider props I call them, but I think they're 65mm props, press-on props. It doesn't have any screw holes for mounting the props on the motors, and I think that's appropriate because these motors might not be able to handle anything more than these 65mm props or Parrot rolling spider props, whatever you want to call them. And so I'm just out here to fly this guy line of sight. A true toothpick in nature. And so let's get this guy in the air. Gotta hold it still. Has good power on it too. Power loops with it. Cool looking quad. If you ask me, check it out. The darn stator on it though, I think the C-clips from the bottom popped off in a crash long ago, and so the top of the bells on these motors are like loose. It's just being held on by the magnets, and so a crash will make the top of the bells fly off of this thing. But I'm just happy that it still flies. I'm able to fly it still. Does have a buzzer on it as well. I can't really tell. Well, it has a light on the back of it. This light changes colors. It's supposed to change colors to let you know what's the state of the battery. If the battery is being exerted a lot, it'll turn red. When it's a fresh battery, it's supposed to be green. And yellow is supposed to be, I guess, normal operation when you arm it. And it's just staying yellow. I don't know what's going on with it. And so I don't know where it is. It is, yeah, it's still steady yellow. Seems like it still has a lot of punch, but I really don't want to kill this battery here. Yeah, so I'm not going to do too much with it. Bring it back over here. Check it out. So the AK-103, very short stators on these motors here. Very unique style. Awesome little toothpick from LDARC. Not too many people have videos on this thing. I guess not too many people purchased it, but happy I did. Really awesome little fly. I think it has a Cadix camera on it. I'm not sure. Can't really remember. I think it is though. It is adjustable right here. Awesome little flyer. Thanks for watching.